Want to stay consistent with your side hustle? This video is your weekly strategy to plan, grow, and earn more, even with limited time. Use this every Sunday to reset, refocus, and keep stacking wins. Step 1. Check what worked this week. Start with results, not guesses. Open your Stripe, Gumroad, Etsy, or Upwork account. Take a close look at what brought in actual money this week. Which posts got views or clicks? Identify the strategies that worked and double down on them. That's your blueprint for success. Now, on to step 2. Reset your focus, not your to-do list. Side hustles can get messy fast, and that's why Sunday is cleanup day. Write down all your scattered tasks, open loops, and content ideas. Then, critically assess what's actually worth doing this week. Choose 3 moves that directly lead to money. Keep it simple and focused. Moving on to step 3. Pick one growth metric to improve. This week, maybe it's about posting 4 TikToks instead of 2, finishing that ebook, or launching your Fiverr gig. Remember, small focus equals big wins. Don't try to scale everything at once. Instead, scale one thing well. Finally, step 4. Schedule 3 days of value content. Batch record 3 videos, 3 tweets, or 3 Pinterest posts. Keep it short, clear, and tied to what you're selling or offering. Set a timer, 90 minutes max. Remember, done is better than perfect. In conclusion, most people don't fail at side hustles because they lack talent. They fail because they never had a system. Now you do. Run this strategy every Sunday and watch what changes.